Half of the energy used in your home goes to heating and cooling. So making smart decisions about your home's heating, ventilating, and air conditioning system can have a huge effect on your utility bill. So how do you find a good, reputable HVAC contractor? Well, choosing a good HVAC contractor is probably one of the most important decisions you'll make as a homeowner, because proper installation and maintenance is needed for your equipment to operate safely, reliably, and at maximum efficiency. Otherwise, you'll be losing money day after day. In our free report, we'll give you the top 10 ways to choose an HVAC contractor that's right for you. Also, you'll discover tons of money-saving tips, so stop throwing your money away and grab our free report.